Ulitin ko to. 1, negative 1. Tapos ito 1 to negative. Negative is greater than 0. So, mali na ito. What about this one? Ito, mali na to. So, negative 5. Positive. Positive is greater than 0. Ito ang tama. Ulitin ko. Dito natin titingnan sa greater than. Ako lang kasi dito ko titingnan. Sabi ko, tama, less than 0. Less than 0. Okay. Dito titingnan sa greater than. Kasi itong number 1, dito natin titingnan. Tingnan nyo. 2 times 2. 1 is 2, 4. 4 minus 3. 1. 1, positive 1. So, positive 1. 2 plus 4. 6. 12. 1 times 6. Positive. Positive is greater than 0. Tama, di ba? So this is correct. What about this one? Negative. Negative 3 times 2.
Negative 6.
Negative 6. Minus 3. Negative 9. Negative 9. Negative 3 plus 4. Positive 1. So ito yun. Negative 9 times 1. Negative. Negative is greater than 0.
Hindi.
Mali. Kaya mali ito. Next, ito. 1. So 1 is 2. 2 minus 3.
Negative 1.
Negative 1. We have negative 1. Tapos 1. 1 plus 4. 5. So we have 5. So negative 1 times 5 is negative 5. So negative 5 is 3 over 2 and or negative less than negative 4. Yan ang